Hey guys, and welcome back to Clinical Physio with me, Phil Richards. In today's video, we're going to be taking you through an SIJ test known as the Squish test, which is one of my favorite names, by the way. So what are we looking for when we do this test? We're looking for pain provocation in and around the SIJ region, pelvis region, potentially with some referral to the proximal leg. So how do we do it? Well, first of all, we're going to find our patient's ASIS. And then from there, we're going to spin our thumbs around so our palms are pressed on the outside. From here, at a 45-degree angle, we're looking to bring the ASISs together. And as you can imagine, as we're bringing these together, it's opening up the back portion of the SIJ, so we're stressing the posterior ligaments. So it looks like so. So we find our markers, spin our hands around, and then we just press up together like that. And that's really all there is to it. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again soon.